In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add reverb to your audio in CapCut. This will give your sound a cool echo-like effect, so let's get started. First, import your video. Once you have imported it, drag it to the timeline like this. Now add the audio from here. Drag it to the timeline like this. Now adjust its duration. Now copy it and paste it again like this. Now in order to reverb it, zoom it like this. Zoom it. Now adjust the second audio just like this. This slider allows you to control how much reverb is applied. This will create a reverb sound and it will be sounded like an echo. After adjusting the level, adjust it from here as well, and that's it. You have now added reverb to your audio in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.